Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Zesta Herbal Soap, Skincare and Lifestyle. We'll be making a foaming body wash and we will need our own shower gel. You can make yourself, you can use store-bought shower gel. So before we start, we get all our supplies. We have our glassware, our measuring cups, our silicone spatula, our scale, our hand gloves, and our raw materials with which we use to make our body scrub. This body scrub is good for knuckles, for knees, for elbows, for the inner thigh, and for armpits. It's generally good for exfoliating the body and is very effective. Okay, so we are going to go into the video proper. To start this, we are going to measure our oils that we will need in our body wash. For this recipe, you can use either sugar or salt or even sparse salt. Okay, so I'll be using sparse salt. So now we will need oils to be able to lubricate the skin so that this salt will not be too drying. Either the salt or the sugar, they will not be too drying on the skin. So we are going to measure our shea butter, and we are measuring about 50 grams of shea butter. So now we'll also add our oil to it, but before we add our oil, let's go and melt our shea butter, which we'll do in a short while. So we have melted our shea butter out. So we are going to now measure our oil. I'm going to use this teaspoon to measure it. 1 teaspoon of my oil, and I'm using sandalwood oil. You can use the oil that is available to you. Even for the butter, if you don't have shea butter, you can use cocoa butter or any other oils that are available to you. Okay, you can customize this to suit your skin type or your client's skin type. So you mix the oils together. After properly mixing them, we now get our measuring cup again. This time around, we'll be using 1 cup. That's the bigger one. Okay, so that's what we use to measure our bar salt. So I will be measuring 1 cup of our bar salt. This 1 cup is the one that has 250 grams or mils on it. So I'm adding it to my oils, and I'll make sure I mix them properly before continuing. So after we've done that, we'll now go ahead and start adding the other ingredients. This is our ground turmeric. I'll be adding 3 level teaspoons of our ground turmeric. Mind you, I didn't grind the turmeric to be too smooth because this is a scrub. I would like it to also contribute to the exfoliating property. Okay, if this is the first time of you coming to our channel, you're welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you're an old subscriber, welcome. And if you wish to know more about us and what we do, our number is on the screen. You can call us. Please do well to subscribe to our channel and like and follow our videos. Okay, so now I'm adding my honey. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. I will now add my honey and then mix it up. This honey is a humectant, as is good for the skin, and it promotes wound healing. So we mix it in properly, and as usual, before we go to the next step, which will be to get our body wash, I'll be using half of that cup. I'll be using 1 1/2. As you can see, I'm pouring in 1 now. I'll pour in one and then mix it in properly before adding the other half. If you're to calculate this half cup, sorry, I'll be adding half cup and quarter of it, of, how will I even say it? I'll be adding half of this cup, half cup, and then half again of that half cup. That is like a quarter of 1 cup. In short, everything is about 200 or 188 mils. Let's just say it's about 200. I don't want my body scrub to be too watery, and at the same time I don't want it too thick. So I want a consistent that's just gooey like this. As you can see, it's gooey, it's a bit sticky, such that when you scoop it in your hand and you try rubbing it on your body, it won't just be falling apart everywhere. So before we finish proper and completely, we'll add our perfume. We'll add to taste. I added 1 teaspoon. The beauty of this recipe is you can increase it to whatever amount you want. You can multiply it out. So if you stick by and watch the video to the very end, you will see where I made a larger batch with it. And I still use this same recipe to make my coffee body scrub. So this is a video you like to watch to the very end so that you will not skip or miss any important points. So now you can see the consistency is good and the color also is beautiful. There's something I would like you to know. Instead of pouring into your mold, it will be advisable you add a little bit of color. You can use your mica pigment, you can use food coloring to enhance the natural color of your turmeric. That's because most natural colors don't hold up with time. They might look vibrant, but with time they either decolorize or they get brown, okay? And turmeric with time might decolorize. So you can just add a little bit. As you saw, I used just a little bit. And even that color, I dissolved it in glycerin, okay? Which is still good for the skin. So now our body scrub is ready. See how beautiful it is? Can you see? You see the texture? So wonderful. This body wash is very good and it gives you instant result. As in, you feel your body clean, you see the glow, you feel it. Let's just try a little bit on my hand. Okay, so to rub it in properly, I'm going to remove my hand gloves. You can use your bathing bathing sponge that looks like hand glove. You can use it. You can use your palms to rub in your scrub, and you can see the difference immediately. You can see. Okay, so honestly, I like this body scrub, and the good thing is that it is cheap and it's easy to make at home. Can you see? I had to come outside for you to see. So now I went ahead after testing my small batch and it came out beautiful for me, and I went ahead to make a larger batch. Okay, so now I used still that same measurement I used, only that I multiplied it out, and you can see the texture. It is thick, it is not watery, and it smells nice and it works fine. You all know turmeric is very good for the skin. Turmeric is a natural lightener, okay? It will just give you a glow. Turmeric cannot bleach you, to just give you a glow. Okay, so you can see how beautiful this is. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. If you want to join part of any of our trainings, we have about 12 courses that we teach. And all these 12 courses is just about 20,000. Can you beat that? You pay less than 2,000 naira per course, including for mixing, pattern making, formulation, profit in soap making, detergent class, diploma in hair care. You can't get it any better than with Zesta. You can't get it any more affordable than with Zesta. So let's continue. This is the one I made with coffee. Everything is the same. The only difference is that I added coffee and also some herbal powders to my turmeric. So I would even say this is even richer than the turmeric. But then, what do you think about them? The coffee or the turmeric? Which do you prefer?